Hello my artsy friends! In this video we'll be learning the chain stitch. Let's dive in.
Starting with a water-soluble stabilizer, I printed that and cut it out. I'm just sticking that onto my fabric here, and I'm going to come up through the back, down through the front, and I'm actually going to be coming down in the same hole where I came up. And I'm going to allow a loop to form. So I'm not going to go all the way through because that would just take out my thread. And instead I'm going to come up a stitch length and come up through the back again. And I'm going to kind of hook that loop onto my needle and then pull it through. And that is our chain stitch. We're going to repeat that. I'm going to go down through that same hole, up through the back, and again, about a stitch length, and allow my loop to hook onto my needle and go ahead and pull that through and secure it by pulling that tight. And I'm just going to continue this all the way around. I'm going to secure it at the end with a little straight stitch, which is similar to the lazy daisy if you're familiar. And we're going to keep going around. So once I finish here at the end, I'm just going to come up and then right back down to secure it to end that line. So I'm going to fill in the other two lines. I'm going to speed this up, but again, it's up through the back, down through the front, create a loop, and then secure that loop coming up through the center and back down. And that's it. That's our chain stitch.
Thank you for stitching with me today. Be sure to download your free pattern sampler and guide wherever you're watching this lesson. I'll see you next time. Happy stitching!